It will also be good to choose a product which is closer to our natural skin pH and free from triclosan.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Ask Me Doctor Season 3, a health video series for you and your family. I'm Syahira from motherhood.com.my. Thank you so much for joining us today on another episode of our bath and shower series. Today's episode explores the confusing task of choosing your child's personal care products. As a parent, one of our main instincts is to protect our kids from harm. So how do we know to recognize harmful ingredients and kids' safe bath products? Well, today we're speaking to Dr. JoAnn Raja, a paediatrician from Firststep Child Specialist Clinic, who is also a mother of 3 adorable children, to help guide us with choosing safer personal care products for our little ones and family. Hello again, Dr. JoAnn, how are you?
Hi, fine, thank you. It's great to be here once again.
We're always happy to have you. Okay, so doctor, there have been some interesting questions from concerned parents on today's topic. Shall we get started?
Yes, let's start.
Alright, so I'll start with my first question. What are some of the most common skin problems that you usually see in children?
So some of the common skin conditions that I usually see in my clinic would include eczema, allergic contact dermatitis, irritant contact dermatitis, diaper rash, dry skin, and of course bacterial, viral or fungal infection.
And do you believe that skin products play a role in the development of these skin conditions?
To some extent, yes. So for example, fragrances in skincare products are one of the main causes of allergic contact dermatitis. And a child having this condition can develop red, itchy and blistered skin at the point of contact with the skincare product.
Okay, can you maybe tell us what is the first step for parents in selecting bath products for their children?
Sure. So there are some simple checklists which I can suggest, for parents in order to make choices with regards to their skincare products. So number one is, does your child have any underlying skin condition? So parents should first determine if their children have any underlying skin condition, for example, dry skin, eczema or sensitive skin. Next, choose products which are safe and gentle for kids. And number 3, it is okay to go for fewer products. What I mean by this is if you are showering your child and your child is in the beginning stages of showering, choosing combination products or 2-in-1 products like head to toe will make it easier for both you and your child. And as our children become more independent and aware of the showering process, you can then gently ease them into specific products like shampoos and body bath gels.
Right, this 2-in-1 shower head to toe washes is like a lifesaver for me. I always use it for my baby.
Definitely.
And I think, with so many brands out there, sometimes I feel like people, they have so much choice. They're spoiled for a variety of choices, but actually sometimes you don't have to go for all the different types of brands. Sometimes it's okay to just stick to like as you said, fewer products.
Yeah, so fewer products means that you're also going to limit the exposure of your child's skin to various different, chemicals which is inside.
Alright, so my next question for you is, can you share what are some of the harmful ingredients that parents should avoid?
So as for the ingredients that is harmful for kids, so here are some to avoid. SLS, also known as sodium lauryl sulfate, is a cleansing and foaming agent. In children, it can however irritate the skin, especially for those with underlying skin conditions. Parabens, so parabens are chemical preservatives that are meant to preserve the shelf life of cosmetic products. There is some concern of whether parabens can cause certain health conditions and disrupt hormones in the body, so avoid parabens whenever you can. Triclosan. So triclosan is an ingredient that is added to many consumer products intended to reduce or prevent bacterial contamination. However, in recent years, there are a lot of concerns regarding the safety of triclosan usage in skincare products, and some of it include the possibility of developing antibiotic-resistant germs. So looking at the possible health risks versus the lack of potential benefits, this is one ingredient that you should preferably avoid. So soap-based products can dry out our child's skin. So for children who have sensitive or dry skin, this can irritate and aggravate their skin. Colorants and perfume, well, these are just added to enhance the appearance and the scent of the bath products. So especially in young children, a soap-free product would be more ideal as soap can dry out young children's skin.
Wow, that's a long list of ingredients that I did not know about. So parents out there, do take note. If I were you, I'd take a pen and paper and keep note of that, because I think all these ingredients are so common in a lot of products out there, and if, without realizing, maybe you might end up buying them and it could be more harmful to your children than you realize, right?
True.
Alright, so my next question for you, Dr. JoAnn, is what kind of products can parents choose from?
So whenever possible, do choose a skincare product which has been dermatologically tested to be mild and gentle to the skin. It will also be good to choose a product which is closer to our natural skin pH and free from triclosan. For children, knowing how fragile their skin is compared to adults, using a product which is soap and colorant free can help to prevent skin irritation.
So you were mentioning it should be something close to our pH,
Yes.
the pH of our skin. What is the pH of our skin? What's the range of pH?
So our skin pH is more towards the acidic side.
Oh.
So if you can choose a skincare product which is closer to 5 to 5.56, that would be best.
Alright, so Dr. JoAnn, now that children are starting back schools and they're going to daycares, are there any ways for parents to protect them?
So as always, parents and children should always practice the recommended SOPs, washing hands, and taking a bath upon returning home to reduce the spread of bacteria and viruses.
Stay clean, stay safe, right?
Exactly.
Okay, great. So we're done with all the questions. Thank you so much, Dr. JoAnn, for giving us some of your ideas with your insight. But before we end, do you have anything to share with our young parents out there?
So there are many skincare products in the market. So before buying, it would be good to do some research on the ingredients that are present inside these products. Reading honest reviews on the product is also helpful. So a child's skin is different compared to an adult skin. Therefore, when choosing a skincare product for your child, do your best to avoid any of these nasty ingredients that could cause skin irritation and possible other health issues.
Great, I'll keep that in mind for my baby as well. Well, thank you so much. It's always fun talking to you.
Yeah, I had a great time as well.
Aww. Dear viewers, thank you so much for staying tuned with us today. But before we go, we have a special giveaway for you. You can stand a chance to win an AskMeDoctor Wellness gift box and Follow Me's antibacterial kids product worth Rm100 ringgit with these simple steps. All you have to do is step 1, share this video. Step 2, tell us what you've learned from today's episode. And step 3, tag 3 friends in the comment section below. Make sure to set your account to public mode. And a special word of thanks to our sponsor, Follow Me Antibacterial Kids, for sponsoring today's episode of Ask Me Doctor. Follow Me Antibacterial Kids provides 99.99% protection from bacteria for your children without harming their delicate skin. It is dermatologically tested to be mild and gentle, does not contain triclosan and paraben, and is free from soap, tears, and colorants. We hope today's episode has been informative and helpful in your journey as parents. Join us next week with Dr. JoAnn returning to discuss important hygiene habits to teach our kids. Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. I'm Syahira Khan.
And I'm Dr. JoAnn.
And this is motherhood.com.my. Bye!
Bye!